Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some mini pony beads, which I have in here. You're going to need yellow, pink, blue, and clear regular size pony beads. You're also going to need some of these beads. I think some craft stores carry these. I know they're on bead tin. I'm not sure what they're called. If anyone knows, you can add it in the comments for everyone. And you're also going to need 4 large beads. So I can't tell you where to get these because they were, at one time they were a bracelet, but I cut the bracelet so I could use the beads. These have 2 holes. If you can't find any large beads with 2 holes, you can use whatever you have on hand. You're also going to need scissors, a lighter, and possibly a needle. But we're going to start with adding 3 pink, and then you just let those fall to the middle. And then we're going to add clear on both sides of the string. Let those just fall. We're going to add 3 blue. You're going to take your string and go across. Put the ends together and hold it, and then you'll pull these blue down. And you want to try to get your string even. You're going to add clear on both sides. You'll get 3 yellow. Put those down and take the string and go across. Now that we have this started, you can grab these ends and then just pull. You're going to add a clear on both sides. And we're back to pink, so we're going to add 3 pink. Take this end and go across. Pull the ends. You're going to add clear on both sides. Okay, so if this gets too loose while you're building it, what you do is just pull these rows down a little bit. It doesn't have to be super tight, but you want your string to be more stiff, I guess. You don't want it to be too loose. So we're going to do 5 sets. This is one set, pink, blue, yellow, and now we just started the second one. So we're going to do this 5 times, and remember to always put a clear bead on both sides in between each color. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back to show you the next step. Okay guys, I'm at the end here, and I added 1 row of clear. And then your last beads are just 2 loose clears. So we need to take the string and go through these pink. This is what it looks like before I tie it. Okay, once you have that tied, then we're going to go across the pink. And then you can just, that knot that we made, you can pull it so it's in the middle. Okay, now you're going to take your 2 strings, and we're going to add, these are the mini pony beads. We're going to add red on each side. Then you're going to take the red. We're gonna call, well, I call these Fruit Loop beads, so I'm just gonna call them Fruit Loop beads. 2 of those, and then you're gonna add blue, we're gonna add pink, and then this bead has a hole on both sides, so you're gonna take your string and go through. If you have a bead with two holes, now we're going to repeat that. So pink on both sides, then you're going to add blue, red, okay, that's what it looks like. Now what you're going to do is count 4 rows. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you get to your 4th row, you're going to take your string and go across, and then you're going to take the other string. You might need to add your needle, it'll be a little easier, and then go across this way. That's what it looks like. I'm going to do that one more time to show you guys. So we're going to add the red, blue, pink, put the yellow bead on, we're going to add pink, blue, and red. Okay, we're going to count. So we're coming out of this blue one. So yellow will be the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go through these yellow. Pull your string. Take your other string and go across. And then you're going to pull that fairly tight. But this is what that looks like. So we're going to repeat that 2 more times, and then I'll show you how to tie it off. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I added my last set of beads, and I put my needle on one side of the string here to make it easier to go through. You'll go across these 3 pink, and pull both strings tight. And this is what it looks like. And I also have this one that I made. These are really easy to make and they look super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.